Home Remedies presents.
Pour vinegar into your toilet and see what happens. Toilets can get gross. This isn't too surprising, considering what goes into them. Hard water stains can also contribute to the mess. The next time your bathroom needs a deep clean, no need to run to the store for harsh chemicals. The only stop you need to make is your very own pantry for the bottle of vinegar. Make sure you use white distilled vinegar. The process: fill a clean spray bottle with white vinegar. You can dump a generous amount of vinegar in the toilet right from the bottle, but the spray bottle also makes for easy cleaning on the seat and the outside of the toilet. You can also spray more on certain areas that need extra scrubbing. Depending on how gross your toilet is, you can leave the vinegar in there to soak for a long time. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. If your toilet is pretty clean, let it soak for 30 minutes and flush. That's it. If you need an added boost to try to remove a stain, you can use undiluted vinegar directly on the stain and scrub with a brush. If there is a pretty bad ring, you can leave it on to soak overnight. The acidity in vinegar kills germs, bacteria, and mold on contact. You can even put vinegar in your toilet tank to let the vinegar continuously clean your toilet. Next time you go on a vacation, leaving the vinegar in your toilet can help get rid of some pretty bad stains. Next, use a toilet brush and scrub away the vinegar and watch your toilet come out sparkling clean.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.